Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. As I told you in the previous vlog, I just thought of going out. So from early morning 6 to 10, there is a slight relaxation as usual in the Bangalore. This vlog is not something like a breakfast vlog or get together vlog. It's just early morning ride vlog. And one more reason for making today's vlog is I just fixed a mount before lockdown for this new helmet. So I hope the angle would be perfect. So let's see if everything is perfect, then chalo cheek hai. And I hope at least from next vlog the audio clarity might be fine, because Insta has updated a new software. I have to upload in this. Still I have not updated any of the software for my Insta, so I'm running in previous software itself. So new software I'm gonna be updating very soon, and if possible I'm gonna be making a vlog on it. It's almost like 6:10, so catch your people on the bike.
Finally, after 2 weeks, I'm on Bangalore streets. The climate is also too good. The sun is already rised. Okay. Why is this Choto fellow standing on the road? No traffic also early morning. The climate is chill. Wow, amazing feel, guys. The one way that a guy has to get relaxed is go for a ride. It might be office tension, or it might be wife tension, or family tension, anything. If you need to avoid that, go for a short ride or a long ride. It gives a very good relaxation. My god. For me though, the entire pressure of this office, no, I'm not able to remove that frustration in the gym also, because gyms are not open. So I just decided to go for a ride, and today was the right day for me to go for a ride. And even bike I need to leave for service. It's more, oh my god, 3,253.2, almost 253 kilometers extra only I have driven. Anyhow, once the lockdown is open, first work is to go for haircut. Second work is leave the bike for service. I hope in this the wind will be avoided, my voice would be clear, because I am using the new helmet. And I heard with new software though, the audio clarity will be slightly changed. I mean, it would be better. So hopefully I'm gonna be doing that by today or tomorrow. If that is done, Insta will be working perfectly, I feel, because almost all the bloggers have updated the new software, so it's doing well. Also, most of the places in city, they have closed one side roads, so it's better to ride on ring road or outer ring roads. So I just decided to come for outer ring road. And even traffic won't be there. Most of the people will be like roaming inside the city to buy vegetables or fruits, or with some other works. In outer ring road, I'm not gonna be disturbing anyone. I'm gonna be having a short ride, almost like 10 to 12 kilometers, then get back to house as soon as possible. I can't ride my bike speed also, because I feel the engine oil level is bit less, and even air filter is like completely blocked. I have to replace my air filter. I have one extra spare at house, but no time, as well as lazy fellow I have become, not interested in doing anything. I think even flyover might be closed. flyover is closed. I don't want to ride till Devnalli. Let me go till Elanka or Kogilo Cross and take a U-turn. It's gonna be like almost 12 to 13 kilometers. Wow, what need to be opened that is not open. The rest all is open. Bars are open, gyms are closed. What is this? If the cases are going down like before June 7th, then complete relaxation will be there, or else again lockdown from morning 6 to 10, slight relaxation as of now. The same thing will be continued. I'm planning to take some Insta 360 shots now after this signal. Let me try, because I have to do some circus. Again remove this wide angle lens, put the 360 lens and change the mount. Let me park my bike inside and let me do all that stuff. Take 360 shots. It is bit difficult, but anything for you people. I think I have got that mount clamp, not mount also. Let me park here. Catch you up in a minute. So again back to wide angle lens. It's almost like 7:10. Most of the people are walking, jogging and doing cycling. Wow, many people, not one or two. While going also I found it out almost more than some 10 to 20 people. Even I do have a cycle. After I purchased it, I used it for 2 to 3 times, not more than that. Again I have to start using cycle. People still, they are least bothered to wear helmets also nowadays after lockdown. Just look at this, most of the people are not wearing helmet. Helmet is not to avoid the fine. Helmet is to safeguard ourselves. Guys, I'm gonna be ending this vlog here itself. I need to purchase some of the stuff for house. So if you people like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care.